What is Stoicism? Stoicism is a philosophical school of thought that originated in ancient Greece and was later developed in ancient Rome. It emphasizes the development of personal ethics and self-control as a means of achieving inner peace, resilience, and happiness. Stoics believe that happiness can be achieved by living in accordance with nature and by accepting the world as it is. They teach that people should focus on what they can control and accept what they cannot control, and that by doing so, they can achieve tranquility and freedom from negative emotions. The philosophy of Stoicism emphasizes the importance of reason, logic, and rationality, and it teaches that people should live according to their values and principles. It encourages individuals to be virtuous, wise, and just, and to cultivate a sense of community and social responsibility. Some famous Stoics include the philosopher Epictetus, the emperor Marcus Aurelius, and the playwright Seneca. Today, Stoicism continues to influence modern philosophy and psychology, and many people turn to its teachings as a way to navigate the challenges of everyday life.